All right, so today here at Hangar Modern Classics, St. Charles, Missouri, USA, the team and I, oh wait, quick update, no team, just I, are looking at the all-new for 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. At this point in the car's build, it has been completely disassembled down to a shell. There's not a wire remaining in the car. It has then had new quarter panels put in it, new outer wheel houses, and new inner and outer rocker panels. The car was then sent through media in order to completely strip all paint and other whatever down to bare metal. The car was then subsequently put in black epoxy primer as a sealer. Once the epoxy process was complete, it was put in a build primer. Build primer will point out any imperfections that remain in the car's exterior bodywork and actually interior metalwork that's visible and painted after being metal finished. At this point, the car is very straight and close to being ready for paint. The build prime will be subsequently block sanded, color sanded, which will highlight any remaining imperfections left in the car. Those will be addressed. The entire car will be recolor sanded, and at that point it will be ready for paint. So from the firewall back, the car is for the most part ready to go. The firewall and front suspension area has been painted on top of the black epoxy primer with a UV protectant black eggshell finish to emulate factory